Hello viewers. Today I'm going to be giving you a 5.5 year review of EPDM RV roof coating. Now, I thought this thing was a gimmick. It's been 5.5 years. Saw a guy online pretty much putting it on like you would paint a wall in your house. Of course, you clean it and stuff. It's real easy to do. I didn't want to spend the $2,500 to have one put on. Plus, I was getting near vacation time. The roof was about, I don't know, 12, 13 years old then. It was chalking, it was thin. So, I thought, what the heck? For about $375 for all the material, I'll put this gimmick on as I thought it was. And if it lasts a year, I'll do the roof next year. But I'm not going to wash the roof, because I'm going to be replacing it. After a year, no issues. So I thought, well, we'll go one more year. No issues. So I said to myself then, I'm going to just go and let it go. I'm not going to wash it because it's got to be a gimmick. Well, here we are, 5.5 years later. This roof has never been washed once. Never. Because after 2 years, I thought, well, I'm going to see just how durable it really is. Now, they recommend you wash it every year, and I do too. But I expected to be replacing this. I didn't know for $375 all in and a couple hours of my time that this would still be here 5 years. And look at it. It's solid. It's bonded. There's no leaks. There's no cracks. There's no nothing. It's dirty, but that's my fault. 5.5 years, never been washed. Of course, the rains hit it and stuff. But I've not got up here and washed it. And look at it. It's all thumbs up. This is no gimmick. This is a real deal. There is no doubt in my mind this ain't going to go another 5 years. Think about it. 10 years of a roof, and who knows if it'll go beyond that, for $375. I mean, you can't go wrong. Now, just for the kicks of it, I'm going to give it a little scrub here. I'm sure there'll be some stains on it, but I'm sure it'll be a lot cleaner. And I'd recommend you clean yours every year. This I didn't expect to last. I thought it was a gimmick. See if that makes a difference. It did. There you go. If you was to, well, if you'd have cleaned it every year, it would be still spotless white, I'm sure. But look at that. I definitely have to give this thing a thumbs up. Recommend it. I'll see if I can't put some links in the description. It's EPDM RV roof coating. This stuff's incredible. 5 years, no wash, no leaks, no nothing. Highly recommend it. This is not a gimmick. There are gimmicks out there, but this is not one of them. Anyway, that's about all I got for you. That's a 5.5 year review of never being washed RV roof, 31-foot RV. No leaks, no cracks, no chips, no nothing. Solid. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. By the way, let me not forget to add the conditions this has lived in. For the first 2.5 years, two and a half years, it lived in the Nevada desert. 105, 110, 115 degrees for 4 months at a time. Sun just baking on it. Then for the last, well, it's been about 3 years, it's been in the Pacific Northwest. Rain, 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 more rain with a side of rain. A lot of shade, moss builds up, rains all the time. I'm just not more than a mile from the coast, so there's salt water in the air and stuff like that. So it's lived in, and it's been in freezing conditions. It's lived in things that would normally tear up a roof. Just wanted to add that. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Share and subscribe. We'll see you next time.